Hi, welcome to Cooking with Benedicta in Tastebudzng Kitchen. Today I'm going to be sharing a very simple pancake recipe. A low-carb pancake recipe using very ripened bananas, honey in replacement for your sugar, and I'm going to be using some oatmeal to replace the regular flour. I have here some milk, salt to taste, some honey, like I mentioned earlier, and a little bit of baking powder. I'm going to be blending all of my oats in my mixer, and I'm going to be using some light fat spread. I'm going to be using about 200 grams of oatmeal flour and about 150 grams of light fat spread. You can choose to use 100 grams of light fat spread, but I love my pancakes really buttery and very fluffy. So here I have my oatmeal. I'm going to put it in the food processor. I'm going to blend it into a finer powder texture. Then I'm going to melt my 150 grams of Mamador fat spread in my microwave. I want my fat spread to be liquefied. And after I'm done blending my oatmeal and melting my light fat spread, I'm going to be mixing everything into my food processor. As you can see here, I'm tossing in my already blended oatmeal, my liquefied fat spread, my liquid milk, my honey. Now feel free to put as much honey as you like. Remember, this recipe has no sugar in it. A pinch of salt has been added, a pinch of baking powder. And now I'm going to be breaking in my ripened bananas. Remember, it is always good to use very ripe bananas. It actually tastes better, and the flavor of the bananas are much richer when your bananas are very ripe. Now crack 2 whole eggs into the mix. Remember, we are working with 200 grams of oatmeal flour or blended oatmeal and 150 grams of melted butter. I have everything mixed in my mixer and it is ready to be used. But I think my consistency is a bit too thick, so I'm going to be adding a bit more water and a little bit more honey. Remember, you can put in as much honey as you like. So I want my batter to be slightly lighter. I don't like my pancake batter thick. I like my pancake batter to be as light as possible because I love thin pancakes. So now we're ready to go over to the gas stop and start frying. Remember to brush your pan or your pancake holder with a bit of cooking oil. You can also use spray. You can also use cooking oil from a spray can, or you can use a brush and rub it all around your pancake tray, and you're all set to start frying. Easy peasy. Now remember, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, it is youtube.com/Tastebudzng. And if you have subscribed to this channel already, remember to hit the notification bell. That way you get notified each time we have a new video upload. If you do like this video, please click the like button and remember to share this video. So that is it with making our fluffy, very easy pancakes and oatmeal for breakfast. Thank you for watching. And this is Cooking with Benedicta in Tastebudzng Kitchen. Breakfast inspiration. Bye-bye.